Publish Sapient is conducting hiring challenge. We are dare to complete. 6 days are left for registration. Now let me see what are all the rounds they are conducting and what are all the prices they will be giving and the jobs. First round will be of the online quiz. Participants will be taking part in MCQ quiz, which will be conducted for 20 minutes and will be given 20 questions, which will be conducted on 14th July 10 a.m. to 14th July 10 p.m. You can take between this 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And after selection from first round, you will be attending the online coding challenge where they will be giving the codings based on basic coding skills only, and it will be conducted on 16th July 2021 10 a.m. to 16th July 2021 10 p.m. Then after selecting from this second round, you will be going to the jumpstart round where it will be conducted on 13th July 2021 to 13th July 2021 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Now let me see the eligibility. Public Champion Jumpstart is open to all BTech third and fourth year students passing out in 2022 and 2023 can apply with a minimum CGPA of 6.5 CGPA. The challenge is open to all BTech third and fourth year students passing out in 2022 and 2023. The participating students can be from any specialization or domain. They can be from any branches. There is no restriction on the number of participants from an institute. Modification of details post registration closure will not be allowed. Plagiarism is strictly prohibited during the online coding challenge. Any cases of while you are doing coding, you should not copy from others because they will be checking the plagiarism of code. So you will be disqualified if you copy the code from any internet platforms. Now let me see about the round one, which is a preliminary round, which is also called as MCQ challenge, where the eligible participants will be going through this challenge, MCQ challenge. Based on their test scores, they will be selected for the next stage. There will be of 20 questions. Time given is 20 minutes. One question, 1 minute. You can take the test at 12 hours of opening window, quiz opening window, which means from morning 10 a.m. to night 10 p.m. Round 2 coding challenge. Shortlisted participant will undergo an online coding challenge where they will be tested on their basic coding skills. Based on the test scores, participant will be shortlisted to proceed to the next stage, and you will be notified through email. And this assessment is of 120 minutes, it nearly 2 hours. Then the evaluation criteria could include but not limited to the test score, time taken to complete the test, and the qualify of your code and resume, etc. After that, you will be redirected to Jumpstart from the second round if you are selected, and you will meet our leaders who are changing the tech landscape. You will interact with them to learn all about real world engineering. Then no real case studies. You will learn how technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, AR, augmented reality or virtual reality are leveraged to change how we live. All this with real life case studies. Meet the previous campus hires. You will be meeting the campus hires from previous years who were once like you and are now transforming business and create impact. Their stories will prepare you to make the right decisions and create impact on the world. Exclusive mentorship. You will be getting an exclusive mentorship session with expert who will answer your queries, resolve your confusions. Networking and fun. You will network with fellow engineers and have fun. Now let me see what are all the prizes they will be giving. For winner, they will be giving the Apple MacBook Pro. And for first runner up, they will be giving Apple iPhone 12 mini, and the second runner up, they will be giving Apple iPad Air. And if you are participating, you will be getting the participation certificate. Now let me see some of the deadlines. The registration deadline is 13. 6 days are left. So as soon as register for this, and MCQ round will be conducted on 14th July 10 a.m. to 11:10 p.m. and online coding will be conducted on 16th July, and jumpstart will be conducted on 31st July at 12 p.m. If you have any queries, you can contact to the Dare to Complete. Now let me see how you can apply for this thing. There will be like there are nearly 13,000 registered, and 6 days are left. If you as soon as register for this thing, there is no registration fee. Just click this register on D2C. There will be, you want to create your account using email and some other mobile number. After that, you can register for this using those credentials, which will be used to create the account. And after that, you can add the dates to calendar so that you won't forget it. That's all. Register as soon as possible. You will be getting um, prices like Apple MacBook Pro and Apple iPhone. So all the best for your interview process. If you want to know latest updates about the jobs, you can follow me via the Telegram channel as well as the YouTube channel. I'll be giving the Telegram channel in the description. If you have any queries, ask me via the Telegram. I'll be giving the Telegram link too in the description. All the best for your interview process as well as the hiring challenge.